States challenge EPA rollback of climate regulations. 24 states, alongside multiple cities and counties, have launched a legal challenge against the Trump administration's decision to weaken federal climate policy. The lawsuit, filed in the U.S. Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia, argues that the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, acted unlawfully when it revoked a key 2009 scientific finding, the endangerment finding that greenhouse gas emissions pose a direct threat to public health and welfare. The core legal issue, the endangerment finding, was the bedrock upon which the EPA justified regulating emissions from major sources, including cars, power plants, and oil and gas operations. By rescinding this determination, the administration effectively stripped the agency of its primary legal authority to combat climate change, even if it chose not to actively use that power. Why this matters? This move is significant because it directly undermines decades of established scientific consensus. Burning fossil fuels warms the planet, acidifies oceans, and intensifies extreme weather events like heat waves, droughts, and wildfires. The lawsuit seeks to reinstate the endangerment finding, forcing the EPA to retain its regulatory powers. Transportation's Roll the Suit also targets the EPA's rollback of emission standards for motor vehicles. This is critical because transportation is the single largest source of greenhouse gas pollution in the U.S., responsible for over a third of total emissions. Reversing this decision would reinstate limits on vehicle pollution, a major step towards mitigating climate change. Broader context, the lawsuit is expected to merge with an earlier case brought by environmental groups, creating one of the largest legal battles yet against the administration's dismantling of federal climate policy. The states argue that the EPA's actions disregard established science and endanger the well-being of their citizens. This case underscores the ongoing tension between federal regulatory power and political agendas in addressing climate change. The outcome of this lawsuit will have far-reaching consequences for the future of U.S. climate regulation, potentially restoring the EPA's authority to enforce emissions standards and protect public health against the growing impacts of climate change.